Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So really nothing has changed over the past few days as far as kind of the key levels from the technical perspective goes into play. So I'll just hop right in. So let's just use the 15-hour number. Let's just say that you're watching this video 15 hours after I upload it. Question number one for you becomes, okay, well, where is the price at relative to 11,000? We'll call it 400, 500, right around there, but we'll call it 11,400. As of right now, that has been the very stubborn, in a good way, type of support. You can see several times, including over the past 4 hours right there, the bears have tried to press down through there, but every single time the bulls have stepped up in a big way. And as long as that remains the case, then from a big picture point of view, this is a very, very healthy consolidation. So like I said, if you're answering the question that the price is still up above 11,400, then right there, that tells you that, at the moment you're watching this chart, that implies that, the overall, Bitcoin is, fully healthy, and it's just continuing to consolidate and go through the consolidation. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 11,400, the next question you need to ask yourself immediately is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average? Now, that one's a little bit more difficult because it's a moving average, meaning that value is going to move and change as time goes by. But just assign a number to it, right around 11,200. So if you're answering the question, though, that the price is down below 11,200, again, at that point, am I saying the entire chart's destroyed? I'm not saying that, but that would be, kind of a little signal that perhaps the bulls are starting to lose their power a little bit, and things may be needing a deeper pullback. So again, 11,400, that preferable level of support. But if the price is, does not stay above there, then the next level you would want to monitor is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. On the flip side of things, so again, going back to that 15-hour number, if you are answering the question, 15 hours from now that the price is up above 11,400, then you would want to immediately ask yourself, okay, well, where's the price at relative to the 12,000 mark, which is that key level of resistance? And that's where the common sense, gut instincts comes into play. I mean, if you're answering the question that the price is, just slightly above it, don't get me wrong, definitely a good step in the right direction. But if you're answering the question that the price is, way up there at 12,900, well, that would be telling you that not only, has the price gone through the healthy consolidation, and not only has the price actually gotten a little bit of a breakout here, but it's been a very powerful breakout. So like I said, from that angle, gut instincts, common sense will take you far. All in all, though, the price continues to consolidate, so we'll see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.